So in this video I'm going to show the tool changeover procedure for the KCT, the KCT tool on our JWEI JCUT cutter. So as you can see, my K1 position is currently empty and the KCT tool is going to be set up in our K1 position. So first of all, I'd need to check my blade. Now with the KCT tool, obviously we take off the silver cap here using our grub screw and we can replace the blade in there. Now I'm happy with the blade, I'm happy with the depth there as well. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to load that into my cutter, just like that. So push down on the collar, make sure it's nice and straight, and then turn until it clicks into place. So that's now the KCT setup in the actual head itself. When I come over to my computer, to JWEI, it's going to say that the K1 tool has been changed. Please reset the depth. So yep, that's fine. So I'm going to press OK. However, when I come over to my tool depth here, you'll see I do not have the option to do the tool depth on this tool. And that's because I have just taken out the V-cut tool out of this position. So I need to tell it that the V-cut tool is now no longer in that position. Now to do that, we're going to go to our tool parameters. We're going to go down to the bottom here to V-cut 1. We're going to change it to knife 1 just there. Press apply, press yes, press OK, press yes. Now when I go back to tool depth, to my drop down, I will now have the option for knife 1. I'm going to press tool depth. Now because this is in the K1 position, it's going to go on this side. And the KCT has now just done its tool height and it's ready to go. So that's our tool changeover procedure for our KCT tool in the K1 position on our JWEI JCUT cutter.